birthday telegram at your service.
I hear them in there.
Yeah, you know, like, I don't like all that attention. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, I told her, I said, under no circumstances is it going to be done my birthday. We're celebrating our birthdays.
She said, I don't like that all that attention.
And then it all being about me. Like, that makes me
She's like totally talking about what we're about to do. Oh, well. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Erica.
Perfect timing. We heard you talking about it. You're like, I don't like all that attention. And here we are. And I'm like, well.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Cheryl.